as of August 28, 2026. So, based po sa dimi kanina, ang hindi natapos ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, day of tomorrow ay si Rinaldo. Pending na iwan na customer order ay wala. So, pending area namin maayos. Ayan. Parcel for pick up na bawas 4 from yesterday. Dagdag today is 6. Ito po yung store visual namin. Stock room. Ayan. So these are printed at 6:40. Cash count variance tally lang naman po. Sa issue receipt namin, meron kami 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Meron kaming 9 na issued na receipt. So sa consumable naman namin, meron kami Savli A4, 4. Sa DTF Film A3 is 3. Sa E4 is 25, DTF E4. At saka sa DTF Film is 24 po. So key holder tomorrow is Villamore. At ito po yung locker namin. So ito po yung garbage disposal namin. Ayan.